Look.
We're recording. Here we have Benjamin
First
Miller
meal.
having his first meal. Just wait, slow down.
I know. I don't want to put too much on it.
I know. Ben.
Ben.
Mom, look up. We're going to give him his first
Feed Ben his first meal.
first bite.
Ben, what's this? No. Wait now, let Mommy do it. Isn't it good? Do you like it? No?
First solid food.
Benjamin, you gotta eat it.
That's what, Benjamin, you think you'd like that because what we got mixed up Big Macs and Chester's Cowboy Special.
Yeah.
And Big Mac.
I don't believe that. Look, Ben.
Mom, try it again.
Ben. Mmm.
There
So
was
good.
Mom eating it.
Mmm. So good. You still got some in your mouth, do you? That's what it is. You want some more?
Yummy!
Want to wash it down with some milk?
Yummy!
No. I don't want this stuff. Benjamin. Benjamin, what are you doing?
Try another bit in it now.
I think he's still got some in his mouth though. Ben.